Norsus Vision, a globally recognized state university. Norsus mission: Negros Oriental State University delivers global excellence through advanced instruction, impactful research, and sustainable extension, with strategic partnerships and modern infrastructures shaping effective leaders to serve the Philippine society and world. Norsus core values: shine, spirituality, honesty, innovation, nurturance, and excellence. Norsus quality policy: Negros Oriental State University commits to delivering quality instruction, research, extension, and production. We ensure compliance with all statutory and regulatory requirements and continuously work to improve our management systems to meet our quality objectives. NORSO's strategic goal: Negros Oriental State University will achieve global recognition by program excellence, strengthen research through impactful innovation, promote enhanced community extension services, integrate partnerships and international relations, revitalize infrastructures with operational systems, and enrich student life and leadership opportunities. Thank you.